Right across many parts of the British Isles, so I don't suppose it's the Dutch bulb fields that'll be the point of interest in Holland tonight. It looks as though things are going to be essentially dry, though not overly warm, I have to say, for the kick-off at around about 7:30. You can see things looked a good deal more threatening than that, with this whole ribbon of cloud across the northern parts of the near continent, spilling through the Channel Islands, a wet start to the day there, and this veil of cloud still hovering around the southern parts of the British Isles. And we'll talk more about this ribbon of cloud in just a second. But first of all, let's go back into Europe. Over the next couple of days, same old front still wobbling around the Paris area as we move on through Thursday, but a lot of fine and dry weather elsewhere, if not overly warm. Now that would be very good news if we could bring some of that into the flood affected areas here in the British Isles. In fact, we still have one severe. I think that's around about the Shrewsbury area. 26 other flood warnings, and if you have any concerns at all, then that's the number for you in England, Wales and Scotland too. In fact, I do have good news for those flood affected areas, because it will turn drier across many parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland over the next few days. Pretty cold by night though, some mist and fog to contend with as well, but more cloud, wind and rain at times for particularly the north and west of Scotland. Now, you've seen the front already. There was the rain to start off the day in the Channel. That's moving to the near continent. We've still got that more northerly feature, though. That's tied in with the front, which is going to gradually work its way a little bit further south during the course of the day, eventually clearing the south coast by around about evening time. Somewhat fresher weather following on behind, to say the very least. 1 or 2 wintry showers for the fringes of Scotland. And then that area of high pressure begins to build in overnight. And that's going to lead to quite a spread of nighttime frost there across many parts of the British Isles. Save this southeastern corner, should I say, where there'll be too much cloud and too much wind as well. Those frosts will become more of a problem for England and Wales as we move on through the next few days. Not so, though, for central and northern parts of the British Isles. A dry and fine start to Thursday, more cloud building across the north and west as that front begins to work its way in, and there will be